Hello guys, today we're gonna open cars mini races again. Now let's start to open it. Before the video starts, don't forget to click like and subscribe my channel.
A few moments later.
Flip doors.
Wow! Ano
Oh, it's nice. For your information, you can find this car at just now the video that I opened, or at Series 6 box 1 is 70 code, or a 10 pack. Okay, now I'm gonna double side tape it and put it in our car's family.
2 very boring minutes later.
Yeah!